What's up guys, Sal here. So we have two big updates to talk about regarding Samsung's most expensive phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which also includes a real hands-on look at the phone showing its new hinge and rear camera layout. But first, let's start with some official news. Samsung has finally made the Unpacked event official, and here's the teaser video. As you saw, the event will take place on the 26th of July in South Korea, but you and even your dog already know this. What you didn't know is the pre-reserve offers. As usual, Samsung is offering a discount to everyone who's interested in pre-ordering the Z Fold 5, Flip 5, Tab S9 or Watch 6. All you need to do is click the link in the description below and you'll get a $50 credit. You don't need to pay anything right now, just enter your name, email and reserve it and you'll get $50. After July 26, you can use that $50 to buy any of the new devices. By the way, Samsung will also offer separate freebies over this $50 credit for pre-ordering customers. We don't know what those freebies are gonna be, but rest assured I'll keep you posted. With that said, we also have a hands-on leak of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Since Samsung is actively copyright striking videos which are showing the leaks of their new foldables, I can't show you the images here. But one of our loyal subscribers suggested that I upload such leaks on a different channel, and that's what I'm doing. So here's a link to a video in the description where I'm showing the actual images of the Z Fold 5 on my second channel. You can check that out and come back. If you don't want to go, here's what the images reveal. Basically, it shows no gap between the two folding halves of the phone, thereby the phone is now also slimmer than last year. It also shows the back of the phone and it looks identical to the Z Fold 4, except the flash placement is on the side instead of the bottom. And also the camera lenses now protrude a lot more than last year. And finally, Ice Universe confirms once again that the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 will not have IP58 dust resistance, as some rumors claim to be. It's still IPX8 water resistant only. Do consider subscribing for more updates on this phone and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.